guys, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will make GBP topology, or we call root trifactor. So uh, this theory or this material is will be studied at CCNP or MPCine in Mikrotik and MPCine, and then CCNP. So this is a mesh topology, a bus topology, which is this L4 and this L1, L2, L3. So and then after you configure, you can but you can communication from L4 to L3 or L3 to L4. So let's try to the configuration. So first of all, you can turn on the router like this, and then we wait. So if the router have started, you can double click here. You can double click to each router, which is this will turn on the router. So you can double click to all this router, guys. So you will see this we fill with no. And then we wait again. So all you can fill like this case. No. And then after this, you can enter until like this. You can click enter until like this, until the router text is done, guys. So you can write, you can comment with enable to going to the next level like this, and then we can comment conf t, and then this is the third level of Cisco. So first of all, you can write the host, and then you can set the IP, guys. But first of all, you must in interface. And then you can add the IP. Like this with subnet mask. Enter, and then you can click with no shut, enter, and then you can exit. And after that, you can configure the GBP. You can write or you can comment like this: router BGP 10. You can click enter, and then you can comment like this: make blur to with combine this with remote, and then with update source. Like this. So after this, you can add the network with subnet mask. And you can enter. So after that, you can end, and then you can save the configuration with this command. You can write WR. So like this, text will building configuration. So the first router, which is the router 4, he has the configuration, and then we move to the router 1. You can enter. So like the first router, but in the router 1 we will make the router reflector, which is this is the foundation of the communication. First, you can set the host name with R1. I'm sorry guys, you can enable first, and then you can conf key. So this is, you can set the host name. So straight to the IP address like this. Oh no, guys, you can I'm sorry. But so after this, you can add the IP address. With subnet mask. Like this. So you can, and then you can exit to another interface. This, and then you can add the IP too. With subnet mask. So after this, you can exit. You can no shot first. No shot. Turn off. I'm sorry guys. Shot and then exit. So my bad guys. So we will add the no shot in first IP. So we will enter the first IP. This, and then no shot, and exit guys. So after that, we move to the GBP configuration. So you can fill with this router BGP 10, and then first of all you can fill with neighbor with remote as scan, and then with update source with ether 0/0. So, and then we can add another neighbor like this, and then we will configure the update source. But with another ether like this. And after that, you can add the root refactor client for each network. So like this. Neighbor, put reflector client like this, and then you can add the second root refactor this, reflector client, and then you can enter. So after this, you must fill the network too. So this is the R1, which is the network is this and this. With NAS, and then another networkers. So this, and then you can enter. So after that, you can end, and then you can save the configuration with WR. So this is the configuration of the second router, which is the R1, and after that we move to another configuration in R2. So you can enter, and then after that, like another router, first of all you can change the host name with R2, and then you can add the IP address, but you must enter to the interface. Like this with subnet host. And then after that, you can no shut, and then exit this, no shut, and then exit. After that, you can add another IP address, the IP like this. And oh, I'm sorry, yes, with subnet mask this. And after that you must comment with no shot and exit. And after that we move to BGP configuration. So let's try to the configuration, which is the router and then BGP 10. So the first is you can must the fill the neighbor. With remote S10 and then update source. E0/0. After that another neighbor. Yes, with another neighbor with 22 remote. This and then with update source. E0/1. 0/1. Yes, 0/1. And after this you must fill the network, guys. With subnet mask. And another network, guys. Like this, and after that you can end the configuration and save the with WR. So this is the configuration of third router, which is the R2. So we move to the last router, which is the R3. Same like before. With host name R3, and then we fill the IP address. With subnet mask. And after that, no shot, and then exit. So and then we configure it for the BGP, guys. And then we add the neighbor. Remote S10 Not S10 guys, not S10. And then with update source, E0/0, and you can add the network to this network with mask like this, enter, and you can end. And after you can save the configuration. So this is the last configuration, and yeah, we have the fourth configuration, the first router, and then the second router, and then the third router, and lastly the fourth router. So this is we will try to ping to the first router here, this. So the success rate is 100% guys. So it is successful. I ping from here to here, from router 3 to router 4. So we will ping to the router 1. So the success rate is 100% too guys. And then lastly we will ping the router 2 or the third router. The success rate is 100% too guys. So the configuration successful. The root drive factor is worked, and then yeah, this is the configuration of BGP. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share this video if you feel this video is very yeah for you. And then thank you for watching, and see you on another tutorial video. Goodbye.